Have you ever found yourself wondering how a mere text message can be transformed into captivating and dynamic videos? Well, you're not alone in your curiosity. In a world where AI is reshaping our digital experiences, Pika Labs emerges as a game changer, turning simple text into captivating animations. Today, we're discussing this new platform, exploring the secrets behind Pika Labs' ability to turn plain text into engaging animations. So let's get started. What is Pika Labs? Pika Labs, an AI video company that emerged from Stanford University's AI lab, has just launched Pika 1.0. This cutting-edge model can create dynamic video clips from text, images, or existing videos. Initially, Pika 1.0 was offered via Discord, but now they've expanded access through a new web platform. This expansion comes after a successful funding round that raised $55 million. The aim of Pika 1.0 is to empower you to craft your narratives and foster your individual creativity. Pika 1.0 is being released in phases, starting with active Discord users of its preliminary version. The broader rollout will happen once the model becomes more stable. Pika already has a user base of 500,000 strong, and these users have been actively creating videos on Discord. The new Pika 1.0 enhances this creative experience with advanced features like 3D animation, anime styles, and cinematic effects. Its capabilities have been showcased in promotional material, demonstrating on-the-fly clothing changes and creating cartoon versions of real individuals like Elon Musk. How Pika Labs works. Pika Labs operates as a text-to-video platform that leverages artificial intelligence to transform your text prompts into dynamic animations. You start by entering a text prompt. This could be anything from a brief narrative, a marketing message, or just a creative concept. Next, you select images that align with your text. These images are crucial as they'll be animated to complement your narrative. Once your text and images are in place, Pika Labs' AI technology takes over. The AI animates your chosen images and synchronizes them with your text, creating a cohesive and engaging video. Pika Labs provides various customization settings. You can adjust animation speed, style, and other elements to ensure the final video aligns with your vision. After the AI completes its process, you can preview the animation. If it meets your expectations, you can download the video for sharing or further editing. Pika Labs supports a range of animation styles. It offers versatility for different creative needs. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and caters to both beginners and experienced creators. It simplifies the animation process, making it more accessible and efficient. How does Pika Labs revolutionize video creation? Beyond the seamless video creation through text-based prompts, Pika Labs offers a range of distinctive features that completely revolutionize the video creation process. Let's find out how. Number 1. Expanded Canvas. Pika Labs introduces the innovative Expanded Canvas tool, which lets you enhance your video's canvas with additional information based on your text prompts. This feature fosters creativity and flexibility by extending the scope of your visual stories. Number 2. Sophisticated in-scene editing. Another standout feature of Pika is its sophisticated in-scene editing capabilities. Imagine seamlessly changing a character's environment and attire within a video. Number 3. Customizable video parameters. You have full control over video parameters, such as aspect ratio and motion levels. Customize these settings to create videos that match your preferences perfectly. Pika Labs AI can also handle high-resolution video creation, ensuring that your videos maintain excellent visual quality. Number 4. Generating videos from reference images. Pika Labs can bring your reference images to life in animated videos while preserving their original aspect ratio. This feature unlocks endless creative possibilities. Number 5. AI alteration of existing YouTube videos. Pika Labs also has the functionality to take existing YouTube videos, process them, and generate new AI-altered versions. This showcases its versatility and the potential for creative applications. Limitation of Pika Labs. This technology isn't without its limitations. When tasked with generating more complex or exaggerated movements, the AI sometimes struggles, leading to errors or odd visual artifacts, such as disembodied hands. Other limitations of this platform include: Number 1. Frame rate and resolution limitations. You might find that Pika Labs currently doesn't offer frame interpolation and upscaling capabilities. This means you may need to use external tools to enhance the quality of your outputs. The resolution of Pika's footage is 1024 by 576, running at a frame rate of 8 frames per second, which might be low for your specific applications. Number 2. Cohesion and quality variability. While Pika Labs can deliver creative and surprising results, you might notice variability in the cohesion and quality of outputs. This inconsistency could be a drawback if you're seeking uniformity and predictability in your video productions. Number 3. Platform specificity. Pika Labs operates on a Discord-based platform, offering a unique experience that might not be as streamlined or organized as web-based platforms like Gen 2. This could impact your user experience and efficiency, especially if you're not familiar with using Discord. Number 4. Community feed and interaction. Pika allows you to hide prompts from the community feed, a feature that has sparked controversy. While some appreciate this option for privacy reasons, it also limits the community aspect of the platform, potentially reducing your opportunities for collaboration and inspiration. All these factors highlight the importance of considering specific project requirements and personal preferences when choosing an AI video generator. The application of Pika Labs. Whether you're an individual creator or a professional in the film industry, Pika Labs helps you discover your creative potential. It opens doors to high-quality video content creation that's both accessible and cost-effective. Let's explore how Pika Labs, through its text-to-video AI platform, Pika 1.0, can elevate your endeavors in specific areas. For business presentations. Enhancing corporate communication. You can use Pika Labs to craft engaging and visually appealing videos for your corporate presentations. It transforms complex data and concepts into accessible, understandable visuals. Marketing and advertising. If you're in business, leverage Pika Labs to produce creative video advertisements or marketing content that aligns perfectly with your brand's voice and style. Training and development. Companies can harness Pika Labs to create instructional or training videos, offering an interactive and engaging learning experience for employees. Educational content. Interactive learning materials. As an educator, you can create animated videos with Pika Labs to simplify complex subjects, enhancing the learning journey for your students. E-learning courses. Develop engaging e-learning modules where intricate concepts come to life through animated videos, making online education more effective. Visual aids for research. If you're a researcher, Pika Labs helps you present your findings through visually engaging content, simplifying the communication of complex information. For your personal projects. Storytelling and personal narratives. You can use Pika Labs to breathe life into your stories, creating personalized videos for storytelling or documenting important life events. Creative exploration. If you're an artist or a creative individual, Pika Labs allows you to explore new forms of expression by turning your ideas into captivating animated videos, pushing the boundaries of traditional art forms. Social media content. For social media enthusiasts, Pika Labs offers a unique avenue to create original, attention-grabbing content that enhances your online presence. Thus, Pika Labs' user-friendly interface, coupled with robust editing and customization capabilities, qualify it for a wide range of applications. Is Pika Labs available for free? If you're considering using Pika Labs, you'll find a range of pricing options tailored to your specific needs and preferences. We have the latest information on Pika Labs pricing, ensuring you can choose what works best for you. Number 1. Free usage. With Pika, you can access some features without the need for registration, allowing you to experiment and explore the platform at no cost. Number 2. Paid monthly subscription. For those seeking more advanced features, Pika offers a paid monthly subscription. This subscription unlocks a wealth of benefits, including full access to the Pika editor and templates, high-resolution exports, and more. Pika also provides a REST API for image generation, which forms part of its premium offerings. This API enables automation of design processes and is included within the subscription. Additional features in paid subscription. Subscribers enjoy a host of additional features, such as 4K high-resolution exports, quick-style application presets, annotation tools, custom watermarks, and the ability to export in WebP and SVG formats. You can also retain or customize file names for your exports, and your creations won't bear Pika.style watermarks. Number 3. Educational Plan. Pika Labs extends a special plan to students, making it accessible for educational purposes. You can easily check eligibility and access this plan to support your learning journey. Pika Labs' flexible pricing structure ensures that whether you're a curious explorer, an enthusiastic creator, or a professional with demanding project requirements, there's a pricing option that suits your needs. You have the power to choose how you want to utilize Pika Labs' capabilities to enhance your creative endeavors. Remember, video creation is an evolving and creative process, and tools like Pika Labs offer one of many avenues to explore this world. Pika Labs provides AI-driven capabilities that could be a part of your toolkit for video production, allowing for a range of creative expressions. Ultimately, the choice of tools depends on your specific project requirements and creative goals. With or without Pika Labs, the field of video production continues to offer exciting opportunities for innovation and creativity. If you made it this far, let us know what you think in the comment section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.